Hello guys, in this tutorial we are going to be making this 2-in-1 belt. Yes, you can have one belt and wear it two ways, guys. Take a look at the other side. It's so beautiful, guys. So beautiful. Without further ado, let's dive to the DIY. Bye guys. Bye. This is how to take your belt measurements. You see, I will tighten it. It has to be tight. Mine is 27 inches. Then I will add allowance to it, to both sides. The width of my belt is 3 inches. It should end in my navel. Should end in your navel. Then from your navel down, I want mine to rest in 11 inches. You see, you can make it longer, you can make it shorter, depends on what you are going for. So let's dive to this DIY. Note that the measurement I'm using for this skirt is my measurement. So anything I do in this video, you apply it to your measurement, okay? The measurement I'm using for this belt is 29 inches by 3 inches. And for this one is 100 inches by 12 inches. It's better it remains than it's not enough. So this is 100 inches fabric by 12 inches width. Then I will take this fabric to the sewing machine and sew it together, front facing front. Then I will sew almost everything together. I will sew it like this, round to this place. I will leave a space like this to turn it. Then I will take this one for the plate. I will take it to the machine too, and I will sew it together. I will sew this right side facing this right side together. You see, I'll sew these two together. I sew just this line. This, I sew everything, and I left a place to turn it. You see, I've ironed this. So this is the waistband. Our pleat measurement is going to be the length of this waistband. Whatever your measurement is, this is my measurement. Whatever your measurement is, that's the measurement your pleat is going to be. This is how to pleat. I'll just demonstrate a bit and I'll continue off camera. You fold this like this. You see, pick your fabric like this. Leave space here because you will need it later. And you eyeball the one you pinch to continue the rest. I just pick like 2 inches here. Then you eyeball it, not to do it too bigger than the other ones. Then you fold it like this. So what I will do, I will pin it. Then you see this edge where I pin it. Then I will fold another one to this edge. You see this edge, you can feel it with your hand where this pleat starts here. Then you take another one and you put it on top like this. Then I will pin it. Then I will pleat this like this. Always eyeball it, you see, like 2 inches. Then I will pin it. You see, I finished pleating it. This is the back. I pressed iron it. You press it very well. you press it very well because it's two fabric together. I will fold here inside and iron it. Then I will turn it. Then I will fold here inside too and iron it. So I will take it to the machine right now and I will sew this place. I will sew it so to secure it, then remove the pin. And I will open one side of it. The place I turned it, I'll open it. Then I will put the pleat. Then I will put the pleat inside the band, like so. Then I will pin everything and take it to the machine to sew. You sew it in the edge. You sew it in the edge neatly. I'm putting eyelets in my belt. If you make 2-in-1 belt like this, the best lock, should I call it lock or closure, to put in it is eyelets. So what I will do, I will take my sellotape and I will put it here like this. Then I will take it to the back like this, okay? After putting it together, I will just freehand it. I'll put eyelet here, 1. I'll put eyelet here, 2. I'll put eyelet here, 3. I'll put eyelet here, 4. What I will do, I will use this to punch hole here. Then I will cut the hole open a bit. And now I cannot remove the sellotape. There's this highlight, something is like a plier like this that you can just buy if you don't have this. If you cannot get your hand on this, this one is easier. There's this I'll show it in the screen, eyelet crimper. So it's just like something like this. I think if I see the picture, I will go look for the picture in Google. Then if I see it, I'll put it in this video. You see, it's better you do the hole where you pass the eyelet. It's better you do it very small so it grips the eyelet. If it's too big, the eyelet will fall off. It's better you struggle to pass it in so that when you close it, it will grip it well. But if the hole is too big, it will fall off. This is the final result, guys. This is the final result of this 2-in-1 belt. Take a look at the inside. This is the other side. You can wear it both sides. So beautiful.